Renowned lyricist Padma Shri Sirivennela Sitaram Sastry died of pneumonia at a hospital in Secunderabad this afternoon. He was 66 and is survived by his wife and 2 sons. He was admitted to the hospital on November 24th after he complained of uneasiness. Born on May 20, 1955 at Anakapalli, he started penning lyrics with the film Janani Janmabhoomi in 1984. He attained fame with director K. Vishwanath's movie Sirivennela in 1986, and the film's success became his pseudo-identity. The 11-time Nandi Award-winning lyricist wrote a variety of songs ranging from devotional, romantic, folk, mass and classical poetry. At a time when music directors dominated the film world, he secured a space for poetry and meaningful lines and an identity for himself. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, TDP Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Telugu film industry expressed grief over the demise of the legend. Director K. Vishwanath said he is unable to come to terms with the death of Sirivennela. Hello and welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Rajat Thakur. In a major relief to the state government, a division bench of the Andhra Pradesh High Court today quashed the order of the single judge bench staying the construction of houses under the Pedalandariki Illu scheme. The single judge bench gave the orders last month after several petitions were filed challenging the construction of houses. CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy released the third tranche of Jagananna Vidya Divina. 686 crore rupees were deposited into the accounts of 9,87,965 mothers of 11 lakh students. Speaking on the occasion, the CM said the government is not just aiming for 100% literacy in the state but also for 100% graduates, and Jagananna Vidya Divina is the first step to achieve the target. Intermittent rains continue to lash parts of Kadapa district. Railway Kodur Mandal received heavy rains. Parts of Badvel and Railway Kodur Mandals have been inundated. People from low-lying areas were shifted to safer places. The JNTU Anantapur authorities have postponed examinations scheduled from December 1 to 4. The state may be in for more rains as the low pressure area in Andaman Sea is likely to intensify into a depression and subsequently into a cyclone. It may move towards North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast by December 4 according to the IMD forecast. Minister of State for Skill Development Rajiv Chandrasekhar and Industries Minister Mekapati Gautam Reddy inaugurated NASSCOM Center of Excellence for IoT and Artificial Intelligence at the Andhra University in Visakhapatnam. It is the 4th such center in the country and first in the state. It will enable the state become an innovation hub for emerging technologies. The center houses a well-equipped lab with hardware designing tools, wireless development kits, sensors, software tools, among others. That's it for now. For more news and updates, follow us on Twitter and Instagram and download the New Indian Express app.